Today we're going to be cooking a chili con carne, delicious recipe that we've been cooking for such a long time. It is a bit of a spicy one, but you can reduce the spice on it. So I'll show you, here we go. So I've got 2 nice rump steaks, about 1 kilo. Seasoned on both sides. With some salt and some pepper. One red capsicum. 2 brown onions. 2 red chillies. 3 garlic cloves, all chopped. Now we're just going to add some oil to the bottom of the pan. Excuse the pan, but it's been very well used. A lot of chili con carnes have been made in this. So once the oil is hot enough, we will put our seasoned steaks in and sear them. It won't take long. Alright, pop it on a plate and pop it aside. Now you want to add your garlic, now you want to add your onion. And soften that right up. Turn the heat down on low. Add some more oil if you need to, because it will. Now to add your capsicum. Stir that through. And to add your chilies and your garlic. Stir that all the way through. Now I've preheated our oven to 180. Oh, losing a bit of food there. Alright. And we'll wait for this to soften up a little bit, and then we'll add more ingredients. So now this is nicely softened, I can add in our seasoning. I've got 2 teaspoons of ground cumin and 2 teaspoons of ground coriander seed. Mix that all in. This will be very nice and fragrant. I've also got 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika and 1 teaspoon of mustard powder. Mix it in very well. Make sure it's all well mixed in. Now I've got 1 heaped spoon of tomato paste. Mix that all in. Scrape it off. And then now to add two cans of diced tomatoes. So I use the Australian diced tomatoes. This one, mix that in. And another one. It's all nicely cooking away. And now we will add a litre of beef stock. Now it may look really soup-like, but this will reduce down in the oven once it's cooking. This will be the time that you pop your meat back in. And nicely submerged. Turn the heat off. Pop a couple of bay leaves in. Pop a lid on, and it's time to pop it in the oven. Okay, so now it's time to pop it in the oven. Quite a big dish. Now that it's in the oven, it'll take probably about 3 hours to cook, and just take it out of the oven, have a look at it in the process, try and break up the meat once it starts to get a little bit soft. You'll notice that within about the 2-hour mark. I'll show you in between when I take it out of the oven and show you what it looks like. So it's been about 1 hour and 20 minutes so far, so I'm going to grab it out. And let's check the progress. Looking good. Probably very steamy underneath that camera. Okay, so that's looking good. Time to break up some of that meat. It's almost ready to go back in. I've now broken quite a bit of the meat up now. Still got to reduce quite a bit. So what I've done is I've just added a teaspoon of corn flour dissolved in water, just a little bit of water, just to help it along to thicken it up. And let's have a look now. I think the chili con carne should be done. Alright, let's have a look. Ooh, very hot. Looking very nice. It's well reduced now to as much as I can. And it's time to serve. Alright, let's serve up a nice serving of this chili con carne. Look at all that lovely meat, that it's all nicely broken down. Beautiful. Now do a nice dollop of sour cream. In the center of that. And normally I would have some corn chips, but I've run out. So I will have this with some buttered bread, which is really nice to dip and eat, and mix it all the way through. Look at that. So delicious and boiling hot. This is how we eat our chili con carne when we don't have any corn chips. Dip. Hey. It's delicious. Spicy, but good. Definitely got to give this recipe a go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll pop the ingredients and everything in the description below. And hope to see you guys next time. Alright, hope you enjoy this recipe. We certainly do. Bye.